Engineering Academy is what it sounds like. It's a general engineering academy that covers all the broad strokes that you find in any quality college or career pathway in the engineering realm. That includes direct applications of science, mathematics, electronics, and actually making things work or making things work better. So we're very excited about the opportunity to take what Little Rock School District has begun in several places, mature that and grow that into what we are confident will be a national level program, competitive, and will give our students the experiences they need to be wildly successful in college programs anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, or if they want to make that leap right into career or do both at the same time. It starts off with a course called Introduction to Engineering Design. Mr. Lecky's been teaching that primarily for a few years now. So how would you describe that course?
Intro to Engineering Design is the class where you get to learn how to think like an engineer. And that involves how to keep your legal engineering notebook, how to document your work, a little bit about spatial reasoning and measurement, things that really get you prepared to go in any other direction of engineering that you like.
One of the things about the Engineering Academy is that we're not using software that's made up for high school. We're using industrial strength software that you would find in the industry. Regardless, it allows you to take that thought you had in your head and produce it as a 3D model. But our next course allows us to take it to the next step. Principles of Engineering is the Mechanics, Electronics, and Robotics course. All these courses have a foundation of a nationally known program called Project Lead the Way. Project Lead the Way is a program that was designed by engineers for engineering, sensitive to the fact that we're working with high school students. Some of our schools in Little Rock School District also have a gateway program that leads very naturally into a Project Lead the Way foundation course. So in the next course, Principles of Engineering, Robotics, Mechanics, Electronics. In this particular course, our students learn coding in the C+ family languages to make all that happen. The next course from there is Computer Integrated Manufacturing, the idea of the cutting robots. Robots that have drill-like devices on them, but can take metal or wood, softwood or hardwood, and make that shape come alive. And in addition, we have 3D printers, which most people are kind of familiar with now. But we use those to come up with our concept, rapid prototype them, and produce them in these machines that you usually only find in high industry someplace. The next of the series of 4 courses is EDD, which is Engineering, Development, and Design. In this particular class, you take a series of ideas, work with the team, develop that idea, and run it pretty much throughout the rest of the year. So in that class, you're basically designing your own emphasis, your own thing that you want to work on with the group. Of course, along the way, students have the opportunity to pick from a group of courses to design an emphasis program that they like for themselves. So even inside of the engineering emphasis program, you can design a program that is really tailored to what you're interested in. And then, as with most of our academies here, you'll do an internship that last year, either working alongside people in the industry or you're working with projects with people who have industry knowledge and expertise in this area. So you're really ready for whatever comes next.
So I would like to just kind of mention what a unique and special opportunity this is for students who might not otherwise have the opportunity to be exposed to things like 3D printers, CNC machines, and some of this software we've been talking about. This equipment is usually expensive. It's not easy to find. If you do get your own, it's hard to learn how to use it. And we're removing a lot of barriers for those students that might be interested in it, but still might not know how to go and access that and how to get trained to use it. And we're going to expose them to that and give them an opportunity to learn how to use that to whatever their imagination can conjure. And I think that's really going to be unique and very interesting to see what we get out of it.